to make sure as well in my presentation that I do a mix of things I do in the salon and then things to have fun. So this is one of those things to have fun. Again, actually I'm going to give, oh there we are, perfect. Thank you, Alejandro. So this young lady, she's got beautiful skin tone. I mean, her skin tone's incredible. When I met her in the model casting, again, she didn't want anything cut off the ends. She wanted to keep it long, but she was open for really, and I mean really strong color. So I know this isn't something I would do in the salon, but when you have the opportunity that someone says, do anything you want, sometimes as hairdressers, it's nice to just play. So she knows this. I'm not saying it in front of her like, oh, she doesn't know, but she knew that I said, oh my gosh, I'd love to put a pattern on the top of your hair. And she's really, really open for it. So the formula, we colored it all over like a level 7 copper. And then I went in and I lightened squares. Let's turn you around. That's it. And I did squares on her hair, but it's only on the top surface. Now, this hair is combed exactly in the parting of when I did the squares, where I painted it on. The yellow is Limoncello from Magma, and this top sort of reddy brown tone is a level 6, and it's like a red orange with some brunette in it. So just a level 6 there and a limoncello. And what I wanted to do is create like an optical illusion. So I went in and I've crimped some of the squares. Not all. Remember I said earlier about less is more. But I think the strength of it is avant-garde, it's different, but she really wanted something different. And I think I caught myself sometimes in the salon when a client says, do anything you want, I'm more nervous than the client, and I find that I do less than what they think is going to. Do you know that situation? So I've had to really work on myself, like when they say anything, they really mean anything. It's the same idea if you've got a client that's got really long hair and she wants a pixie cut. I'd be one of those hairdressers that would say, oh, let's do 6 different cuts going up. But I realized after years and years ago that I could lose clients that way because they just want it off and gone. So it's the same analogy with color. So I wanted to just share this idea with you. It is different, it is avant-garde. I explained to her as well, when she moves her hair in a different parting, you've just got flecks of those 2 tones all patterned. You can't see at all where the square is just by combing it in a different parting, because it looks like almost like a mottling, like a tortoise shell. And if you curl the hair as well, and she has it beachy waves, where the wave comes out, you've got the yellow, and where the wave comes in, you've got the darker shade. So it makes that beachy wave look even stronger. Okay? So I'd like to say a huge thank you for letting me be super creative, and she's gorgeous. You can see the color she was before. It was very washed out. So thank you, Natalie.